Today, I'm going to show you our system and we will present to you the Bloom Inventory, a flower shop management system. So we begin with secure login. So after logging in, we are directed to the dashboard. This serves the brain of our system at a single glance. You can see that the owner can immediately use it. We're going to the product. So here are the currently available products and how many it is. Yan. So here naman sa sell item, we're going to put here what we have been sell. Example, I sell a bouquet. 3 bouquets. Then, pakita dito yung nabentang 3 na bouquet. So, ito na yung inventory value. Naging ganito siya kasi dito sa mga trinay natin. May root. So, here na tayo sa categories. Yan naman. Dito sa product management, we store the details of each item such as image, here, image, the price, and then the category. Yan. Tapos, ito yung mga category na yun. In category, products are organized. For example, itong bouquet, the dried flower, or accessories. For the transactions. Ito nga yung transactions natin. And then, mag-stock in na tayo. In stock, we record new deliveries from suppliers. This helps us to track the history of incoming stock here. Okay. Yan na tayo sa history. All transaction stocks, stock in or stock out are recorded in history. We can see who processed it and why. Yan. As you can see, ako lahat yung nag-process kasi ako yung nag-open. This is important for the audit trail and helps prevent theft or loss of stocks. Here naman sa users. Finally, in users management, the admin can add stuff like here. We use role-based access control, meaning certain actions can only be done by the admin. Ensure
System Overview. Flower Shop Inventory System Bloom Inventory. The system we developed is a flower shop inventory system called Bloom Inventory. Its main purpose is to help manage flower products efficiently, monitor inventory stocks, and maintain accurate records of all inventory transactions. The main objectives of the system to manage flower products efficiently, to track stock and stock out of items, to prevent out of stock and overstock situations, to maintain records and history of the inventory activities. Number 1, the login system authentication. File login.php. The login system serves as the security features of the system. Users are required to enter their username and the password to access the system. How it works: the user enters a username and password. The system compares the credentials with the data stored in the database. If the credentials are correct, a session will be created. The user will be redirected to dashboard.php. If the credentials are incorrect, an error message will appear. Next, presentation line. Our system has an authentication feature to secure user access with the role-based access for both admin and staff. The number 2, dashboard. File dashboard.php. The dashboard is the main page of the system where user can immediately see the overall inventory status. The information displayed is total products, low stocks items, total inventory values. The purpose: it provides a quickly overview of the business and helps the admin monitor inventory status in the real time. Presentation line. This dashboard provides a real-time overview of the inventory status. Number 3, the product management. Files, product.php, product add.php, product edit.php. This module is used to manage flower products in the system. The features: add product, edit product, delete product, and upload product image. Product information. When adding a product, the admin can input flower name, price, stock quantity, and the product image. The system flow: the admin adds a new product, the product information is saved in the database. The product automatically appears in the product list. The purpose: this module makes inventory and product management easier and more organized. The presentation lane. The system allows user to add, edit, and delete products for eraser inventory management.
Now, let's proceed to the most important feature of our system, which is the stock management system. This feature helps monitor and update the inventory automatically whenever products are added or sold. Stock in. Stock_in.php. In the stock in feature, kapag may bagong supply na dumating, automatic na nadadagdagan ang quantity ng produkto sa inventory. For example, kung ang current stock ng roses ay 10 pieces at nagdagdag tayo ng panibagong 10, magiging 20 na ang total ng stock. This helps the business maintain accurate inventory records and avoid manual accounting errors. Stock out/sell. Sell_product.php process_sale.php. The stock out or sell feature naman ay ginagamit kapag may customer na bumili ng produkto. Kapag may sale, automatic na nababawasan ang quantity ng item. For example, kung may 20 roses na available at may bumili ng 5, magiging 15 na lang ang remaining stock. Because of this, automatic process mas mabilis at mas accurate ang pag-update ng inventory. Delete-adjust stock. Delete_stock.php. The delete or adjust feature is used for manual corrections in the inventory. Ginagamit ito kapag may maling input, damaged products, or adjustments na kailangan gawin sa stock. This ensures that the inventory remains accurate and updated. Stock history. Stock_history.php. The system also includes a stock history feature. Dito naka-record lahat ng galaw ng inventory such as stock in, stock out, adjustments. This acts as an audit trail for the business. Through this feature, madaling matrack kung kailan nadadagdagan, nababawasan, or nagbago ang stock ng bawat produkto. It also improves monitoring, transparency, and accountability in managing the inventory. Next is user management. Users.php. Our system also has a user management feature. This allows the admin to add users, delete users, manage user roles. There are two types of roles in the system, which is the admin and staff. The admin has full access to all features and settings of the system. Meanwhile, the staff has limited access only to assigned functions. This role-based access helps secure the system and control user permissions properly.
Next is our category system, found in categories.php. We implemented this feature to properly classify and group our products into different types or categories, such as roses and bouquet. This makes the inventory more organized, easier to manage, and allows users to find specific items quickly. Next is the image upload module, stored inside the Uploads folder. In this system, every product entry has corresponding image. All uploaded images are saved and stored in this dedicated folder. We added this feature to make the system visual, attractive, and user-friendly, so that user can easily identify and check the products they are managing. Now, let us discuss the backend and database connection, specifically in the includes_config.php. This file is very important because it serves as the bridge or connection between our PHP code and our MySQL database. It ensures that all data such as product details, stock records, and user information are properly retrieved, saved, and stored securely in the database. Without this connection, the system cannot function or process any data. Here is a simple flow of how our system works. First, the authorized user log in to the system using their credential. Upon successful login, the user is directed to the dashboard, which shows the overall overview and summary of the inventory. From here, the user can perform functions such as adding new products or updating existing product details. When new supplies arrive or stock are added, the user records it under stock in. When items are sold or released, it is recorded as stock out. Every transaction and movement made inside the system is automatically recorded and saved in the stock history for monitoring and reference. Lastly, access is secured. Only the admin has full control over system setting, user management, and all data. For the development of this project, we use of the following technologies and tools: PHP, MySQL or MariaDB, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. And lastly, we use SAM as our local server. This allows us to run and test the system locally on our computers during development.
Step-by-step code breakdown. Database initialization. Code, create database flower inventory. Ito ang paggawa ng main container ng lahat ng impormasyon. Ginagamit ang UTF-8 MB4 na character set upang suportahan ang iba't ibang simbolo at special characters. Table, user security and authentication. Purpose, dito nakatago ang login credential. Key feature, ginamit ang ENUM admin staff upang limitahan ang access level ng bawat account. Ang password ay nakaset sa varchar 255 para sa secure na encrypted password. Labels, categories, organization. Purpose, hinahati ang mga produkto sa mga grupo gaya ng bouquets o dried flowers. Benefit, mas madaling mag-filter at mag-search ng item sa dashboard kapag nakategorya ang mga ito. Table, product, score, inventory. Purpose, ang master list ng mga bulaklak, presyo at kasalukuyang dami ng stock. Technical detail, gumagamit ng foreign key category ID, ibig sabihin ang bawat produkto ay nakatali sa isang kategorya mula sa categories table. Table stock history. Audit trail. Purpose, nagsisilbing digital logbook. Key feature, hindi lang basta binabago ang stock, nire-record dito kung ito ba ay dadagdag, bawas, or adjustment. Kasama rin ang user ID para malaman kung sino ang nag-update. Key database concept use. primary key ID, unique identifier para sa bawat record. Auto-increment, automatikong pagbigay ng ID number para hindi magkaroon ng duplicate. Timestamp, automatikong pag-record ng petsa or oras created ng bawat transaction.